Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install IntelliJ IDE on Windows operating system. So what is IDE? IDE is nothing but place where we are going to write our code, right? So we have Notepad, we can write our code in Notepad, Note++, Sublime, Visual Studio, Eclipse, so many tools is available. But today we are going to download IntelliJ community version, which is free. So what you have to do is just open Chrome browser and in the search box type download and install IntelliJ. Then if you scroll down, you will see the IntelliJ IDE community edition. Just click on it. Then it will show you the different version. So for Windows, select the option. So I'm going to click on this. Then it will be download and it will be available in the download folder. So I'm going to open download folder. And it's still downloading. And download is done. So now I'm going to install this in our computer. So just click on it, double click on it. And you will get the Windows pop-up. So just click yes. Then it will give you the installation window. So click next. And this is the location. Click next. And you see the created desktop shortcut. Just click on it. I mean, check a checkbox. So it will copy, make a copy on your desktop. So click next, install. And it will take a few seconds or maybe a minute. So after installation is done, so I'm going to just check a checkbox, run IntelliJ IDE Educational Edition, click finish. So now it will open the IntelliJ in your computer. So the first time it will take a little bit of time. So first time you will get the warning like this. So I'm going to just click OK. And you will get another Windows warning like this. Just close this window. And you will see the default IntelliJ will be looks like this. Okay, so do your successfully download and install IntelliJ in our Windows machine. Thank you.